Hey everybody, it's In the Shop with Tom. Now time for part 2 of my series of my day. Basically what we're doing, we're in the middle of a modular project right now. I'm going to take you, walk you around it, show you what we've done, where we're going, and give you kind of a brief overview of how it's done and what we do. So hang with us here. Someday I'll be good with the camera. Alright, basically you can see the archway. Just got some 20-minute hot mud on it for now. Alright, we're going to go back here, and this will give you more explanation on what we do. So you see all these openings are strapped. Right, they're all strapped. Basically the house comes in 2 halves. Okay, they put the halves together, they're bolted in the ceiling, they're bolted in the basement. In every doorway we put these straps, we measure them, and then you make them all the same dimensions. So we can put our doors in, which we'll get to in a second. Also, you can't really tell right now, but everything is split. So in this situation, there's linoleum that goes to a rug with a beat down bar. Okay. Now in here, you'll see our doors. All of our doors come, they're what's called a split jamb. Basically what the split jamb is, you set the door in, and then the other side is cut on site. So it's actually split a split door situation here, and then we put our trim on and whatnot. Over here, this is a standard. This is a pre-hung door. It's already hung from the factory. You can see the difference, how skinny it is. The split jamb door is a lot wider, okay, because obviously because of the walls, and basically they come together. The little door stop right here goes down in between the jambs, and that's what that's how you hide all that. So just a brief look on that. This is one of the bedrooms. Now you'll see around the windows, okay, we get cracking. Okay, that's basically from the transportation and of the boxes. These things go down the highway at 65 miles an hour. I mean, you gotta expect some kind of cracking or some kind of problem. Plus, they're hoisted on a crane and lifted onto the foundation. Okay. Bathroom. Go through here. I'll show you some more down here. Like I said, we're in the process. Like the lights are crooked. I'll come back. We'll readjust everything. We'll check every drawer, every window. Make sure everything's operational. Okay. Some of the doors are shipped with no trim on them because that one's close to the mating wall, so we didn't put any trim on. We'll put that on last. Okay, here's another archway. Just got some hot mud on it, that's all. We're waiting for that to set up, which is actually already set up. You'll see some more cracks on the wall above the door. I'll probably find 5 or 6 more that are, hairline cracks, not big cracks. Here's another archway that we put together. Here's where it was joined together. I had to seam the rug. I mean, pretty much when you do a modular, you do all this work. Hey guys, the basic bathroom. We'll go through. We'll put silicone work. We'll check everything, make sure everything's good. We don't do the plumbing on these houses. Another thing I wanted to show people, and hopefully you guys will hang with me on my walk here. Here's the kitchen. Some come with appliances, some do not. Dishwasher opening. Basically, that bar we had to install that. We had to put that in before it was, It's a nice. Actually, if you go over here on this particular house, there's gonna be a garage that's gonna be built on site at some point. So they got the precast walls. I believe they're superior walls. I'm gonna take it on the basement for a minute. Turn the lights on. This particular house here we had power on because it sat here for a little bit before I could get here, which is a good thing. I'm very happy. No generator to be run. Okay, something I wanted to show everybody. Modular houses. Look at 2x10s, 16-inch on center. They have joist hangers, steel poles into the concrete. I mean, these are really, really put together. I mean, you think about it. These things go on the highway at like 65 miles an hour. I mean, you guys, everybody's seen them, one point or another. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. All PEX, that seems to be the way to go now with the PEX tubing. You know, every house is all the protrusions through are fire foamed. So if there was ever a fire in the basement, you know, that's pretty much it for the basement. You can see their superior walls. I mean, these things are, I've watched them put these foundations up in, you know, less than 8 hours, you know, and then they come and they pour the concrete floor afterwards. The company did the concrete floor, did a tremendous job. Tremendous job. This floor is like glass. This particular house, I didn't do the basement. I used to do everything, plumbing, basement, everything, but now they have it all split up between different subcontractors, which is good. Everybody's got to eat, you know. So, especially me. But it's pretty much where we are right now. And thank you guys for checking it out. Like I said, some minor patchwork that's got to be done. I'll do part 3, the final video, which will be the last day, which will be a couple days from now. Everything's painted, everything's trimmed out, cleaned up, packed out, and you know, we're ready to go home. Obviously, we keep our tools, at least for this particular job right here. Sometimes we take them with us. You know, this is just a set of tools. I have more tools. You know, if we have 2 or 3 jobs going at once, we'll keep things separated. There's those rigid tools. I can't complain about them, really. Honestly, they served me really well. That's pretty much it. Okay, guys. Thank you, and catch you later.